factor completely 9y squared plus 16 minus 24, least factor if possible. I look at this, and one of the first thing that pops out at me is that this is not written in descending powers of y. I like looking at my polynomials when they're written in descending order. So let's just go ahead and rewrite this so that it is in descending order, and that puts it in the familiar place where I'm used to looking at these things. All right, so I have my leading order coefficient, I have my constant term, I have my coefficient of y. All right, I'd like to try and factor this. So one way, it's a trinomial, we could just multiply 9 times 16, look at factors of that, see if what added up to negative 24, rewrite negative 24y according to those factors that I came up with, do some grouping, factor that way. That's the hard way though, because I look at this and I notice 9 is something squared, 16 is something squared, so I could rewrite this as 3y squared. I could rewrite that as 4 squared. And this middle term, look, I can rewrite it as negative 2 times 3y times 4, because 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 is 24, times y is 24y, negative, negative. So this matches the form of our binomial squared, a minus b, right? A squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. I have my a squared, I have my b squared, I have my negative 2 times a times b. So it's this form, so its factoring is that way. I'll take my a, 3y, I'll subtract my b, 4, and I'll square that whole thing, and I'm done. There's my factoring. Much easier than looking at the product of 9 and 16, right? Oh my goodness, what a pain. But this way, done.